Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is elevation, evolution. You're going to the next level. I need your mind, your spirit, your radical faith to be in the, not above, just in the stratosphere, not in the clouds. I need you to be in the solar system. Do not shortchange anything for your life, because your kingdom can be worldwide, not just in town, not just a city. You're ready for the, not just the world, you're ready for the universe. I free myself from fear and trust the universe, and I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. Are you ready to rise? Are you ready to fly? Are you ready to be that king and queen that you truly are, to lead your people? Because we need you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.